All right, folks. Here comes San Joaquin train 716. Your southbound destination of this train is Bakersfield. Get ready to pass to my hometown. Here she comes. See what's in up. Cabcar. Yeah. There she goes, out to Bakersfield. We'll continue on to Stockton, Modesto, Turlock-Lanier, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco. Final destination of this train is Bakersfield. At Bakersfield Station, there are bus connecting services towards Southern California, including Union Station and downtown LA. That's it. Featuring with Isaac. Yep, live in my hometown, Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Till next time.